You may think you know your dog, but trust me, they're full of surprises. From detecting diseases to reading your emotions better than some humans, dogs are hiding some mind-blowing secrets. Stick around because fact number 4 will completely change the way you see man's best friend. Dogs have been by our side for more than 15,000 years as hunters, guardians, helpers, and best friends. Today, over 470 million dogs share homes with humans across the globe. But even though they're such a big part of our lives, there's a lot we still don't fully understand about them. Behind those wagging tails and puppy eyes lies a fascinating world of science, instinct, and abilities that seem almost superhuman. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 crazy facts about dogs that you probably never knew, and each one will make you love them even more. Fact 1. Dogs can smell diseases. When we say that dogs have a good sense of smell, it's a massive understatement. While humans have about 5 to 6 million scent receptors in our noses, dogs have up to 300 million. That makes their sense of smell 10,000 to 100,000 times stronger than ours. But it goes far beyond sniffing out food or finding lost toys. Scientific studies have shown that dogs can actually detect diseases in humans just by smelling subtle chemical changes in our bodies. Some dogs are trained to sniff out certain types of cancer, including lung, breast, and prostate cancer, often detecting them far earlier than modern medical equipment. Others can alert their owners to changes in blood sugar levels, predicting diabetic crashes before they happen. There are even documented cases of dogs detecting seizures and warning their owners before the episode occurs. More recently, research during the COVID-19 pandemic revealed that trained dogs could detect the virus by smelling sweat samples with an impressive level of accuracy. This incredible ability comes from their olfactory bulb, the part of the brain responsible for processing scents, which is 40 times larger in dogs than in humans, relative to brain size. It's no wonder that service dogs and medical detection dogs are becoming more common worldwide, quite literally saving lives thanks to their super-sniffing powers. Fact 2. Dogs understand human emotions. If you've ever had a bad day and found your dog cuddling up to you as if they know something, wrong. You were not imagining it. Dogs are remarkably in tune with human emotions. Studies have shown that dogs can read our facial expressions, interpret our tone of voice, and even sense hormonal changes associated with stress, fear, or happiness. In one study, dogs consistently recognized images of happy and angry human faces, reacting differently depending on the emotion shown. In another, researchers found that dogs' heart rates changed when exposed to human tears or stressed voices, proving they physically respond to our emotional states. Even brain scans using MRI technology have shown that parts of a dog's brain activate similarly to ours when hearing familiar voices, particularly their owner, US. This emotional intelligence is one reason why dogs are so effective as therapy animals. Whether comforting veterans with PTSD, calming children with autism, or simply snuggling up when you're sad, dogs naturally pick up on our emotions and respond with comfort, loyalty, and companionship. It is no exaggeration when people say their dogs just know how they're feeling because science now proves they actually do. Fact 3. Dogs have unique nose prints. Did you know that your dog's nose is as unique as your fingerprint? Yes, every dog has its own individual nose print, made up of tiny ridges, creases, and patterns that are different from any other dog in the world. No two dogs have the same nose print, even among litter mates. This unique feature is so reliable that some companies and animal registries now use nose printing as a method of identification just like fingerprinting in humans. In fact, some advanced pet ID apps are being developed that allow owners to scan their dog's nose for registration, helping reunite lost pets with their families. The technology is still emerging, but in the future, your dog's nose may serve as a natural, foolproof form of identification far more accurate than a tag or microchip. Next time you watch your pup sniffing everything on your walk, Take a second to appreciate that little work of art they carry on their face. It is entirely one of a kind. Fact 4. Dogs dream, just like humans. Have you ever seen your dog twitching, kicking, or softly barking in their sleep? It turns out dogs actually dream, and their dreams may not be so different from ours. Scientists at MIT have studied brain activity in sleeping dogs and found that they go through the same sleep stages we do, including REM, rapid eye movement, sleep, the phase where dreaming occurs. During REM sleep, dogs' brains replay events from their day, just like humans processing memories. Puppies tend to dream more frequently than adult dogs because their young brains are rapidly developing. This means when your dog kicks its legs while sleeping, it may be dreaming about chasing a ball, running in the park, or playing with you. Their tiny body movements are physical responses to their vivid dream sequences. Understanding that dogs dream has even led some experts to recommend creating calming bedtime routines, especially for anxious dogs, to help reduce nightmares or restlessness during sleep. So the next time you see your furry friend twitching while snoozing, you can smile knowing they're probably off having an adventure in dreamland. Fact 5. Dogs can tell time. While your dog can't read a clock, they absolutely have a sense of time, and it's more advanced than many people think. Dogs rely on several subtle cues to measure time. First is scent decay. As time passes, your scent weakens in your home. Dogs use this to estimate how long you've been gone. Second is routine cues. Regular activities like feeding times, walks, or family schedules help dogs predict events. Third is light and environmental changes. Dogs sense the rhythm of the day through sunlight, temperature, and household activity. That why your dog seems to know exactly when you coming home, even if you a few minutes early or late. Some studies have even suggested that dogs can sense time intervals, distinguishing between short and long absences based on scent and emotional anticipation. Their ability to sense time strengthens their bond with humans, making them even more eager and excited when you walk through the door. So, while they may not own a wristwatch, your dog is definitely keeping track of you and counting the minutes until you return. Dogs are so much more than just loyal companions. They're complex, intelligent creatures with abilities that still amaze scientists today. From detecting deadly diseases with their incredible noses, to sensing our emotions dreaming like humans, and even tracking time in ways we're only beginning to understand it. It's no wonder they've earned the title Man as Best Friend. Whether you're a lifelong dog owner or just a curious animal lover, these fascinating facts remind us how special our bond is with these amazing animals. The more we learn about dogs, the more we realize just how deeply they're connected to us, physically, emotionally, and even scientifically. So, next time your dog curls up beside you or greets you at the door, just remember, you're not just sharing your life with a pet, you are living alongside one of nature's most incredible creatures. If you were surprised by any of these crazy dog facts, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal stories every single week. Drop a comment below and let us know which fact completely blew your mind. And if you want even more incredible dog content, stay tuned because we've got some unbelievable videos coming up.